A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. I wonder if you know, so the word gospel really mean good news. And I wonder if you really know what that good news is. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God and talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share it with all of your friends. And of course, if you're not subscribed yet, then click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will not miss none of what I go on right here. So today, may I read from Paul's letter to the Roman them, chapter 1, from verse 8 to verse 17. The first thing I want to say is that me thank God for all I know. Me can thank him sake of what Jesus Christ do for the whole I know. And me thank him for no, because we believe and trust in Jesus Christ so much that people all over the world are talk about I serve God with all of my heart. I serve him when me preach the good news about him boy picnic. And he knows say what me about to say are true. Me always I think about you. And when me pray, me always ask God to make me can conceal no, as long as that what him want. Cause me long for see you so that me can share with you somebody sitting them where God's spirit has show me. I want to share them with you so that me can help you to grow strong and believe in a God more and more. When me say that me well want to see so that we can help to build up with one another. Uno we get strong when uno see how much me trust in a God, and uno will help me get strong when me see how much uno trust in a God. Brother and sister, I want to know say enough time me make for consume, but something always tap me from come. I well want to consume so that me can help the people amongst you to believe and follow Jesus Christ. Same like how me help the rest of people them we are not Jew to believe and follow Jesus. It coming like say me everybody's servant. God sent me to preach the good news to the Greek people them and to the people we are not Greek. Him sent me to preach to people who are wise and know enough, and to people we don't know nothing. So, me well want to come preach the good news to all I know where they are Rome too. Me no shame to preach the good news, cause it powerful. And the good news God use to save all of the people who trust in Jesus. Him use it to save the Jew them first, and then him use it to save the people them who are not Jew. The good news show how God take away people's sin and make things right between him and them. And that him do all of that cause them believe in Jesus Christ. It all right down in a God word say, the people who for sin God take away, cause them believe in him, and them are go really live. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.